Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your brand with Brandfolder permissions, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Brandfolder account. Navigate to the Permissions section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Manage Permissions button. Select the brand for which you want to set permissions. Review the existing permission groups or create a new one by clicking Add Permission Group. Name your new permission group to reflect its purpose. Choose the level of access for this group from the available options. Determine whether members can edit, view, or download your brand assets. Add users to this permission group by entering their email addresses. Adjust settings for each user as needed based on their roles. Save the changes after reviewing the updated permission settings. Repeat the process for any other brands or permission groups you wish to set up. Ensure you're notifying all users about their access changes. Utilize the Analytics feature to monitor engagement with your brand assets. Evaluate the effectiveness of your permission structure over time. Make adjustments as necessary to keep your brand well authenticated. Leverage user feedback to improve the permission management process. Regularly audit your permission settings to maintain brand security. Implement best practices for ongoing brand asset management. Stay updated on Brandfolder's new features to enhance your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.